In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open your Chevrolet Bolt key fob so that you can replace the internal battery at home. The only thing you will need to get this done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, go ahead and check out the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. Now, we can just begin by pulling out the internal key. We do that by finding the button on the bottom of the device, on the side of the device. Hold that down, and while holding, just pull out the bottom, pull out the key there. So we're going to use this key to pry the device open. I'm going to show you it really quickly, and then I'm going to walk you through the steps. So what we're doing is just that right there. Pretty easy, but you do have to get a feel for it. So if you go and you insert the key in too far, you can pry all you want and it will never come undone. It's locked in place by a piece of plastic in there. You want to be just barely inside of the keyhole, and you'll find that it kind of gets stuck in a position like this. This is what you want. Once you have something like this and you feel like you can start applying pressure there to lift off the back, you can go ahead and test that you're kind of doing the right thing by looking at the seam of the plastic there. As you start opening it, you should see, as you start prying, you should see a little opening coming up in the plastic. Try to show you that again. You can see right here that as I apply pressure, it is starting to open. That's good. If you're in too deep, you can apply all the pressure you want. It's not going anywhere. So just get locked in there. Don't hold the back, kind of hold on the side so you don't squeeze and make it more difficult for yourself. And then just commit to it and squeeze or pull it open and it will crack open. Now, this is what was blocking us. So you can see if you're in too far, it's just stuck. We just want to be in just to about there so we can pry and make this kind of a motion. Hope that makes sense. It's pretty easy. Once you get in there with the key, you will get a feel for it. And the rest of the process is super easy. So we're just going to take our flathead screwdriver, get under the battery, and lift it up. Just pry the battery up. You could also use something like a pen or pencil, whatever you have lying around. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery and then take a new CR2032 battery. When you put it in, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text goes face down. So you are clicking it into place face down. And now we can just put the device back together. Just line it all up. And once it looks good, just squeeze and snap it all back together and put your key in there, and you are done. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like, which helps a ton. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this channel where we have videos for the devices for pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.